In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your response in Microsoft Forms. First, open Microsoft Forms in your web browser and sign into your account. From your homepage, open the specific form you want to use. This is the form where you'll enable response saving for anyone who fills it out. Once the form is open in the editor, look toward the top right and open the Settings menu. In the Settings panel, find the option labeled Allow Respondents to Save Their Responses and turn it on. This switch is what makes the Save option appear for people after they submit the form. With that setting enabled, here's what the experience looks like for respondents. They fill out the form as usual and select Submit when they're done. After submission, they'll land on the confirmation or thank you page. On that page, they'll now see options like Save My Response or Save My Response to Edit. Choosing one of these saves a copy of what they submitted to their account. If editing is allowed, they can return to the saved response, make updates, and submit again so the owner receives the latest version. If you're the person who submitted the form and you want to find your saved response later, go back to the Microsoft Forms homepage. Click My Forms, then open the Filled Forms tab. This tab lists the forms you filled and saved under your signed-in account, making it easy to jump back into a response you want to review or update. A few helpful tips as you use this feature. Make sure you're signed in with the same account you used when you submitted the form. Saved responses are tied to your account. If you don't see the save options on the thank you page, the form owner may not have enabled Allow Respondents to Save Their Responses, or the form may have restrictions such as a closed date. If you return to a saved response to make changes, remember to submit again so your updates are recorded. Also, if the form includes required questions or has branching, you'll still need to meet those requirements when editing and resubmitting. That's the full flow. Open your form, turn on the setting to allow saving, submit the form, choose to save your response from the thank you page, and later retrieve it from My Forms under Filled Forms. Follow these steps and you'll be able to keep a copy of your submission and, when permitted, quickly return to make edits without starting from scratch.